How to enable the battery saver feature in Windows 11. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can enable the battery saver feature in your Windows 11 computer system. So the first thing that you need to do in order to enable the battery saver feature is head on towards the settings of your Windows 11 computer. So to head on towards the settings, simply scroll your cursor towards the bottom of your screen, and when the taskbar appears, you need to right click onto this start button. So right click onto the start button, and from this menu here you can choose the settings option. So once you are inside the settings, you need to click onto the system settings. So this will lead you to the system settings, and from here you can see this option that says power and battery, screen and sleep, battery usage, power mode, and energy saver. So this is the option that we need to click on. So click onto the power and battery option, and it will open the power and battery settings. Now from here you can see this option that says energy saver, reduce power consumption and increase battery life by limiting some background activities. So basically it will reduce or limit the background activities so that your battery is saved. So you can click onto this drop down arrow to open the energy saver settings, and from here you have these options. Always use energy saver. So if you want to enable the battery saver right now, you can click onto this button and it will enable the energy saver right now. And then there is the second option that says turn energy saver on automatically when battery level is at. So for example, if you wish that the battery saver automatically enables when your battery percentage reaches a certain number, then you can also do that from this toggle right here. So currently it is set to 30%. So this means whenever my battery percentage reaches 30%, the battery saver will be automatically turned on. If you want to change the value, you can do this from this particular toggle right here. And then the third option is lower screen brightness when using energy saver. So basically, if you use the energy saver, this toggle will lower your screen brightness, which will give it a significant more battery life, especially if you are running thin on the battery percentage. So it is also recommended that you enable this particular feature, but if you want the screen not to dim out, then you can simply disable this. So that's how easily you can enable and configure the battery saver in your Windows 11 computer system. So that's it for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.